Hi guys, how are you? Long time no vlog. Andyan si Austin. Ayan guys. So anyways guys, binigay pala sa akin to ng subscriber turned amiga, turned BFF. Hello ate, I got na yung Portos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much kasi guys, my birthday is... Teka, Austin, baba mo. Kasi, guys, my birthday is in a couple of days. So, she got me this. So, surprise siya. Austin, open it. Let's see what we got. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's see what we got. Ano yan? And, guava roll. Thank you. Naku, ang sarap niyan.
Hindi na nga guava.
Baka iba-ibang flavors. Thank you very much for thinking of us. Nakakagulat naman. She called and then she said na tingnan ko daw yung harapan ng bahay namin. May delivery daw. And, cheese rolls. Ang sarap niyan, guys. That's so good. Favorite namin yan. Thank you, ate. Thank you very much. Thank you for thinking of us. Nakakagulat naman. I didn't really expect anything. Thank you. And what's that one? Wait! I think it's potato balls. Oh my gosh, ate, ang dami mo naman binigay sa amin. Thank you very much. Iba dadalhin ko sa work bukas para may lunch ako. And then, what is that one? It's like a fruit tea.
Thank you.
It's a fruit tea. Thank you very much. Ayan, ang sweet naman. Ano yung isa, Austin? Ibaba mo masyadong itaas. What's the other one?
May lemon.
Okay, my lemon. Thank you very much again, ate, for thinking of us and for being so thoughtful. I really, really appreciate the gift. Nag-abala ka pa. Nakakagulat naman. Thank you for the potato balls. The cheese rolls, and then the guava pastries. Thank you very much. I think it's guava and cream cheese yung iba. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for surprising me. Thank you. Anyways, guys, I hope all is well sa inyo. Thank you. I just wanted to vlog this para makita ni ate na natanggap na namin. Thank you, ate. Bye!